Shop smarter with BrainyBuyer.com and support smarter by subscribing. Your click means more unbiased tests, clearer charts, and fewer decision headaches. So I'm looking at these two propane grills, the Nexgrill Deluxe 2-burner, B0BWPFNPXX, and the Weber Spirit E-210, B0098HR0PY. What do you think?
Okay, let's dive in. Right off the bat, the Nexgrill is significantly cheaper, around $265 compared to the Weber's $499. Big difference for a 2-burner grill, right?
Yeah, price is definitely a factor. But what about the cooking space?
The Weber has a slightly larger cooking area, 450 square inches total versus the Nexgrill's 401. That's not a huge difference, but if you're regularly grilling for a few people, it might be noticeable.
What about the burners? The Nexgrill boasts 28,000 BTUs. How does that compare?
Weber doesn't explicitly state the BTU, but generally, Weber is known for efficient heat distribution. The Nexgrill's higher BTU might mean faster heating, but consistent heat across the Weber's grates is a big plus.
Good point. And what about the materials? I'm seeing stainless steel versus porcelain enameled cast iron.
The Nexgrill uses a combination of stainless steel and porcelain-coated cast iron, while the Weber uses porcelain enameled cast iron. Both are durable, but some prefer Weber's porcelain enameled cast iron for its rust resistance and even heating.
Okay, so Weber might be a bit more durable in the long run?
Potentially. Also, the Weber has been around for longer, so you can find lots of reviews and support. It's also Amazon's choice.
What about features? The Nexgrill has foldable side tables. That's handy for storage.
True, the Nexgrill has those foldable side tables and electric ignition. The Weber has tool hooks and an easy-to-clean grease management system, which is a nice convenience. Both have a built-in thermometer.
It sounds like the Weber is a more premium option, but the Nexgrill offers decent value.
Exactly. The Weber is a reliable, established grill known for quality, but you're paying a premium for the brand and potentially better materials. The Nexgrill seems like a solid choice if budget is a primary concern, and you're okay with possibly sacrificing some long-term durability.
All right, that helps a lot. Thanks for the breakdown. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.